faces, one and all, they follow the sun across the sky. A lesson that I can't deny.
They don't complain, they don't despair, they just turn toward the light and care. A simple truth, a gentle